Well, hello there. Again, my name is Nancy Trojanowski. I'm very excited to be facilitating your course this session, and I wanted to give you a basic overview of the big project that we will be kind of doing throughout the entire course, because I know explanations can be a bit confusing when you're reading everything. So let me just give you kind of an overview real quickly, and I'll show you a couple things inside the classroom here. So first off, we are going to be working on service learning and what that all entails. I know you don't know about it yet, but it's really working on having this idea of students who would be from a university partnering with a certain organization. So what you're going to be doing for your project is picking one organization, whatever that might be, your local food pantry or, a veterans facility or something along those lines. So picking one organization, okay, that you're going to be doing a whole lot of research on, and you are going to be eventually coming up with a recommendation for University XYZ. And the recommendation is going to be either to, yes, we should have a service learning program at the university that partners with this veterans organization or whatever, or no, we should not have that service learning partnership, from the organization to the university. So we're coming up with this recommendation. So what you're going to be doing each week is like a little chunk of the final recommendation. So you're going to be doing a whole lot of research on specific areas each week, and then you're going to compile it all together toward the end of class to come up with a recommendation. Your peers will also be giving you some feedback later on in the class, and then you'll be getting specific feedback from me. And you're going to put that all together and say, okay, this is my recommendation. And your thesis statement is going to be that recommendation. Yes, I think that University XYZ should partner with blah, blah, blah organization because. Okay, so that is the goal for the entire project. And then specifically, I wanted to point out, hopefully you can see my screen there. If you go to the weekly content, when you scroll down, so here's the weekly content for week 1. When you scroll down to the assignments, here's the week 1 assignment. Be sure to click on the link and, look at this in specific detail. So I actually created for each week, I have a rubric that basically covers this section here. So this is kind of an overview part, right, in this scenario. And then with the paper requirements each week, I literally made a rubric that's in addition to the assignment rubric. So the assignment rubric, I'll click on that real quick, is pretty general. What's your comprehension of the assignment, course application, ideas, writing skills, research skills. So it's pretty, kind of general in nature. But I made an additional rubric that I use to give you feedback. So maybe I can pull over one of these. Let's see. So you can see this too. So this is, for example, week. I was just doing some grading here. Week 7. So you can see, though, for each week, I make a pretty extensive rubric that I can then provide feedback for each section that's in there. Okay, so you need to be sure that you are following those guidelines to a T, because that's what's going to need to be included. And then you want to save that, what you have done, you want to save that, and you want to revise it right away, because that's what you're eventually going to use in your final recommendation part of the project. So you want to take the feedback that you get and you want to make those revisions. So, I'll give you feedback on the content, feedback on any APA, because this does need to be in APA format, any APA errors that are kind of glaring. I will give you feedback on that as well. So be sure to revise it right away, because that's a whole lot easier to do it a little bit at a time instead of getting toward the end of class and then you have all of this stuff to revise. Okay, so just wanted to give you those tips. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions about the ongoing project we have for this course or anything else, please be sure to let me know. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.